Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Haws Studios, where I teach GarageBand, Logic Pro, and music production. I'm Jeremy Haws. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use take folders to record multi-takes. Then take the best part of each of those takes and blend them seamlessly together into one track. It's pretty awesome. It's a big reason I moved from GarageBand to Logic Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is a song called Stay that I originally did in GarageBand several years back, and I'm redoing the song in Logic Pro. I made the tempo a little faster, it's a little better mix, that kind of thing. But anyways, today I'm going to show you guys some unison bends I'm doing for this song and show you guys how to use take folders with that, okay? So check this out real quick. Okay, so those are unison bends, and I've got a double track going on here, but we're just going to single out this single track that I just recorded some with. And this is basically, this is your take folder here. So basically what you do is you set your cycle range here, you hit record, and then it'll just keep going over and over, recording the track over and over again, creating these multi-takes here in a take folder. So basically you just keep trying to do the best you can, you don't try to stop it each time if you mess up. You just keep taking a take after take, and then you take a little bit from each of those takes, the best parts of them, okay? So I believe I did pretty good on this first take, except the very end is where I messed up, and that's where I'm going to use the take folder, and it's called quick swipe comping here, okay? When you do this, you'll see and so what this is, real quick, this is the first take, this is the second take, and the third take. This is wherever these are when all these takes, you decide to, whatever parts you take from each take, they'll end up here, okay? In your final take. Okay, so let me show you real quick what I mean. This is where I mess up, I believe. Let's shorten it up here. Check this out. Right there, I don't want that third bend here. As you can see, these other takes, there's only two. So what I'm going to do is we're going to listen to the other twos, the end of the other two real quick, and see what this sounds like. Right. That one I like. Let's try this one more time. Either of those will work. I'm pretty for sure. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you this for quick swipe comping, and to get you to be able to like blend them seamlessly like this, and to get this little X fade to go on so there's no click or pop, just in case it doesn't show up on yours. Sometimes it doesn't. You have to go to the settings sometimes. The settings, you're gonna go to audio. First off, we're going to go with the audio under settings, and then you're going to see this area. We're going to go first to editing, okay? And this is your crossfade time. So make sure that if this is on 0 or 1, you want to turn this up to like 5 or 10, around that area. I usually do 10. So this is your crossfade length, basically, when you blend the two tracks together. And also you're going to want to go to general and under editing, under general, and go turn this quick swipe and take editing click zones on, okay? So it just helps. It'll see if your take folders and quick swipe comping isn't acting the same as mine, this is why. You want to turn this bad boy on, okay? Okay, once that's done, it'll create this little crossfade for you right here. And let me show you what I mean. Okay, so we're going to take this take right here, and I'm gonna take the part of take 2 here. And you want this, you want to do this where you're splitting tracks up, like right at the end of a transient, or the sustained ends, okay, right before the pick attack of the next one. Get as close as possible. What we'll do is we'll spin this out a little bit and get really close in there. That's it. See how it does that? See this? It blends those two tracks. So I don't want those on top of each other. We'll try it this way. Actually, you know what? Let's go with this one right here. Let's do this. That's a little closer, I think. A little better. Yeah, that's a little closer. Right there, that should be work. Let's check this out now. You know, before it was this. So let's try this one. That's not going to work. Sure, it's right here. That's it. That's what I want. Once that's done right there, we're gonna go ahead and collapse this bad boy. So let me bring this a little bit. Let's do this, and we're gonna double click on this part, and it'll collapse it, or you can go to this little arrow and it'll collapse it right there. Okay. So then we're going to go to this little A, click on that, and go down to flatten and merge. And now it made it all one track. So there's no take folder, and it's done. It's ready to go. So now this should be decent. This should work with this bad boy. Let's do this. See what it sounds like together. Yeah, got it. All right, guys, in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually take two different regions like this and like stack them next to each other or overlap them, and then how to use your fade tool or crossfade to blend those seamlessly, then join both those regions together so it's one full track. It really will help your workflow out. So anyways, all right, guys, leave some comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. I'm Jeremy Haws. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open.